Roof leaks. Quick fix versus replacement. Round one. First of all, show of hands. Do you even know if your roof is leaking? That was a loaded question because your roof can actually be leaking and you don't even realize it. You don't even know it. A leaking roof can go undetected for years without even being noticeable. So even though your furniture is dry, doesn't mean the integrity of your structure is intact. Here's some insight. You ready? Okay, there's roots growing through your shingles. Ooh, and there's moss growing out of it. Hey, good chance that's happening, you're gonna need a new roof. Sorry about your luck. Okay, if your roof is leaking, say maybe around the flashing, it likely could be a simple repair. If you can get up on the roof safely to inspect the area, you should be able to see for yourself. Also, leaks associated with ice dams probably don't have anything to do with your roof. Wait, what? Just throwing that out there so you know. If you do have leaks, a good place to start is by sealing any and all air leaks around ceiling fixtures, ductwork, and wires. It's not a bad idea either to increase attic ventilation and insulation as well. Determining the origin of a roof leak takes close inspection. You got that? And an understanding of construction. So if you don't have those, you might want to call somebody. Most important, never assume a leak comes from directly above you. Flowing water is notorious for following sheathing and rafters and roof trusses before reaching the ceiling and the walls. Trusses are especially problematic because cords descend in two directions. That means a leak from a lower part of a roof can present on the ceiling below a higher roof section. Minor localized leaks can be patched. Repairs may show because new roofing materials are unlikely to match the old ones. You might not mind if the patch is on the back of your home, but it could dramatically compromise your home's curb appeal. In that case, consider replacing roofing on the entire forward roof plane. When installing or replacing a roof, always retain some extra materials in case you need to make repairs years later. Trust me on that one. Okay, that was a lot of information about the roof versus replacement lingo, all mashed up. I certainly hope it helped. Did it? Okay, I gotta go, bye.